Thank you, Harshita. Good morning, everybody. It is really a great matter of satisfaction for IHSC that so many dignitaries from around India and abroad gathered here for the annual conference of IHSC. I heartily welcome you all. It's fourth time when we are organizing conference on human security. People always ask why human security time and again. Actually, these are many bodies where are working for human security in segments. For example, National Commission for Women is working wonderful job for securing women's security. Our Honorable Chief Guest, Srimati Rekha Sharma, will speak about that. One of the largest NGO of India, Pradhan, is working for in-gun security in grassroots level. Saraj Kumar Mahapatra will elaborate that. Center for Field Learning is working for environmental security. Professor Alka Parikh joined us from Ahmedabad to speak about that. Former director of Center for International Politics Organization and Disarmament and renowned professor of Jawaharlal Nehru University, Professor Saran Singh, will speak about the global scenario. But during COVID, we thought to have a platform for holistic discussion of human security and then establish this institute. Since inception, me and my dear sister, Professor Aurora Martin from Romania, she is a gender security expert in the ministry, is trying to build a network for human security. In spite of heavy COVID, she joined us today. When we established IHSC and started calling people to speak in a seminar on human security, many of them were unaware about the concept. Many of them read UNDP concept of human security to speak on the subject. But in our last conference and 30 conference proceedings, we have somehow insisted people to think, talk and listen about that, and you can see how scholars of whole world now discussing this matter and localized issues in indigenous manner. Although our institute is interdisciplinary, but topic is multidisciplinary, where doctor from Russia like Soham, physicist from Ukraine, pharmacologist from Nigeria, Buddhist monk from Sri Lanka, along with other 4,000 scholars from worldwide, joined together in one forum for open dialogue. I hope in future we will organize more dialogues on this utmost important topic and you all will enrich us. Thank you and welcome.